In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful and simple workflow to increase photo resolution and sharpness using the latest version of Photoshop. So here is the photo we are working with. As you can see, the image is very low resolution and also blurry. If we zoom in, the details are soft, faces are unclear, and overall image quality is not usable for professional work. So let's fix it. First, go to the top menu, click on Image, then select Generative Upscale. A new window will appear. Here set the upscaling mode to topaz gigapixel. Now set the scale to 4x. On the right side, you can already see the new image dimensions, which are now 4 times larger than the original image. Next, turn on face recovery. It helps Photoshop rebuild facial details more accurately. Once everything is set, click Upscale. Photoshop will now process the image using AI. This may take few seconds depending on your system. After the first upscale is done, go back again to Image, Generative Upscale. This time we will use a different AI model. Set the upscaling mode to Firefly Upscaler. Now set the scale to 2x and click on Upscale again. And now for the final task, go to the filter menu, select AI Sharpen. It will enhance edges and details while keeping the image natural. And that's it. You now have a much higher resolution, sharper and more detailed image. Now let's compare. Here is the before and here is the after. Look at the eyes. Look at the details. Now it's more clean, sharp and professionally upscaled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.